Hello, welcome to Scoots' Card Quest. Nice to see you again. Hope you're all well. Today we're going to have a look at the Magic the Gathering Secret Lair. This is the drop series and it's called Pixel Perfect Extra Life 2024. This is the rainbow foil edition. Some people prefer the foils. I prefer the foils. It's all personal preference. To be fair, some of the cards on these series look better without the foil, because on the darker cards sometimes you can't see them very well, but it's nice, isn't it? Look at that. Love that. Yeah, so the darker foils you can't really see them as well as the non-foils, but again, it's all personal preference. Now, I'm not sure if you get a bonus card in this one. I don't think so, but the 4 cards you get in it, there's Mana Geyser, Lightning Bolt, Fierce Guardianship, and Delayed Blast Fireball. I believe Fierce Guardianship is the more valuable out of the 4, but let's crack it open and have a look. There you go. You always get a nice thank you for being part of Secret Lair card. I like this. This is all obviously video game pixel style. Like that. There we go. And there's the cards. And that is all you get in there. Alright, let's get this open and have a look. Obviously I'll sleeve these up as soon as the video is finished. If I can get the packet open. There we go. Yeah, they do look amazing in foil. I do like these. But then again, I love video games anyway, so video games and Magic the Gathering cards, can't go wrong really. So there you go. So there's Mana Geyser. Nice foiling on that one. This should be a quick video because there's only 4 cards in here. So hang on, let's pop that up there so you can see it. Or when the camera focuses in anyway. There you go, there's Lightning Bolt. And we've got Fierce Guardianship. Really nice looking cards, these. But then these are like a special edition. You just basically pay for the cards. I think when they were new, what were they, $39, $49, something like that. About £40. So yeah, you're only getting 4 cards, but I mean, Fierce Guardianship, I know that one alone's worth £15, £20. So you certainly get your money's worth, and it depends if you like the cards anyway. And I believe these are done for there's like they do these to raise donations as well for a local charity. I think it's in Seattle. Yeah, the Seattle Children's Autism Center. So all the money goes to a good cause as well, or some of the money. Let's have a look. So Delayed Blast Fireball, there we go. And we've got a Extra Life card. Oh, okay. So this is like the bonus card. Search your library for an instant or sorcery card, reveal it, then put it into your hand, and then shuffle. Okay, so an extra card I wasn't expecting. Bonus. There we go, lovely. Right, thank you very much. So what I'll do is, that's the Secret Lair out of the way. In the next video, I'm going to be having a look at these. These are the SpongeBob SquarePants 25th anniversary cards. I imported a few boxes of these from AliExpress in China. As you can see there, it's all Chinese on the back. But the cards are fantastic. So next video, I shall crack open a couple of boxes of those and we'll go from there. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like the video, drop us a like and subscribe. And I shall see you in the next one. Look after yourselves. See you later.